A very good evening, guys. This is Yogendra from Forsk Coding School. Can you please confirm if you can hear me? Maybe you can use yes and no button there on the Zoom window on the left, bottom left side. Okay, now a lot of people are responding back. A couple of them are responding through chat. A couple of them have, raise hand. Okay, and a couple of them using yes and no options. Okay, good guys. Thank you. Okay. So, guys, welcome and welcome again to Forsk Coding School. And I think most of you guys are from past sessions only. So I don't think so anyone is new here and completely new to Forsk Coding School. I can still remember a couple of names in the list, guys. And thanks for coming. Yeah. So first of all, this is a session that will take around 1 hour. And the session is all about launching of a project season and the project season 5, basically, if I say. And what the project season is, how it is working, right? And, how it will be executed. This is all about, we are going to discuss in this webinar, guys. And obviously at the end, we will have a question answer. You can, raise your concerns and questions. We're happy to answer those. Okay. So guys, I take around, 15-20 minutes, right? And, during that period, I would request everyone to have a focus on the screen and what I say. And this is going to really a game changer for you. What we bring to you now, it is going to be really a game changer for you. Okay, so let's see this, guys. I'll talk about to position myself, basically, right? To position myself, I will talk about two scenarios in front of you. Okay. And what that scenario is, right? And that is very much relevant to you, right? So see, and these scenarios are basically to explain that why there is a need of a project season, right? So let me talk about this, guys, that there are, lots of courses on Coursera. There are lots of courses, free courses I'm talking about, YouTube, Udemy, Udacity, edX, right? And couple of others, okay? And now, guys, what happens, see the scenario that students enrolling for above courses complete the same project in most of the cases, right? And include that in their resume, right? And when a company floats any opening, all of the applicants who come from the same course, they have the same project in their resume, right? And that kind of condition puts the hiring team of that company in a fix that whom to choose for interview call or not, because everybody is saying a same project. And that we have seen in the Forsk technologies as well. Last month we floated internship positions for a lot of people, and there were people who have the same project, right, in multiple resumes, because everybody was doing the Titanic data, everybody was doing that iris data set, everybody was doing that house pricing prediction and all, those projects which are easily available on the internet. Okay, so guys, this is a big challenge, right? And to fill this gap, right, and to fill this gap, we are introducing a project season in which you work on real client problem, right, and get full mentoring for developing the project, including the training to kick off development activities, daily days of project development, mentorship, etc. So this is, what we are bringing for you guys during this project season, right? So to fill this gap, this is a very, very big gap, guys, right? So fill this gap, we are introducing the project season in which you work on a real client problem I'm talking about, and get a full mentoring, how you can develop that project, right? That will include the training part as well. That will include how you can do the development, right? How you can start the development, how you can manage the project as well, right? And daily we are going to develop, that project. So every day you will have to write some piece of code and make an addition to finish that project. So that is there. Okay. Now for those people who are already into job, right? Those people who are already into job, what is the scenario with them? So I'm talking about that scenario now. Now, guys, I'll talk about the scenario for the people who are already into the job. So this is, the case. What is the case, guys? So let me make a space there, and then, I will talk about that. Now, see, this is there. In other scenario, industry people who want to switch to other domain. So maybe you are working in sales, right? Maybe you are working in customer care. Maybe you are working in some other domain, right? And now you want to make an entry into the new domain. So let's say the new domain is analytics. Let's say new domain is AI and ML, right? And what happens in this case? They lack a project experience, right? Because in their resume they will only talk about the past experience, right? And the past experience is not that kind of experience which is required, which is welcome by a new domain, right? So they lack a project experience, and while applying for a position in the new domain, right, this project will help them fill that gap, guys, fill that requirement. Okay. Now, guys, after putting these two scenarios, that is a very big challenge. Now, after putting this scenario for you, what is next? How to fix this problem for you, right? Now, guys, what will happen? Forsk team will work as a project consultant and project guide for you guys. The Forsk team now will work as a project, a consultant and a project guide for you. And so far, guys, so far we have completed 3 seasons. So far we have completed 3 seasons, right? Now, guys, season 1 and 2. Season 1 and 2 were conducted in a very closed loop, okay? And they were offered only to a limited set of people for beta testing, so that we get to know, is it working or is it not working? And if it is not working, what change we need to do, right? So we took 2 seasons for that, to refine the offering so that it gives a maximum benefit to the participant, guys. In the season 3, right, which is currently going on, the season 3 is basically finishing this week, and we have 100 plus learners in that, and we have invited a couple of participants from that as well. They will talk to you and they will share their experience with you guys. So Parth is there with us, Raghavendra is there with us, Kratika is there with us. Raghavendra is already doing a job. He has quite numbers of years of experience. Parth and Kritika, they are still in the college. So, we have invited people from both the sides, guys, Now, when I say project season, right, I will come to the format, that how we execute this format season, guys. This is one of the way which no one is doing in India. Let me tell you that story, right? And now, first, I would like to get your attention that why it is important for you to join the project season. What, value addition it will make for you. Why you really, join this season, guys. So I will come to that part now. First of all, guys, if I talk about this, that why you need to join, my first point is very clear, that it is a real experience of industry grade project development work, guys. And that is something you miss in your college. That is something miss in your, a work field, which is not from the current domain, right? Okay. So this is going to be the first case, guys. The second case would be that it is going to be a very strong addition, right? A very strong addition to your resume. That would be, there, guys. It is going to be a very strong addition to your resume. Okay, guys, this project season will run for 30 days, for 1 month, guys. This is going to run for 1 month. Okay, and if you enroll, into the project season, you get a 4 weeks, you get a 4 weeks internship letter, right? Internship letter from Forsk Technologies, guys, not from Forsk Coding School. It is from Forsk Technologies, the development arm of the Forsk. Okay. Now, guys, during the project work, during the season, you get a technical support from the, technical team, technical experts from the that, right? So you get a technical support for project development, right? And during the project development, basically, right? So that is there. So that would be the fourth, unique point here. Now, in the end, once you successfully complete your project, and we have checks and measures and processes that will make sure that you successfully complete that project, even if you have the doubt right now, but we make sure that you complete that project. Like, we have mastered that art in the last, a couple of seasons for that. Okay. Now, guys, in the end, you get a project interview question guide as well, right? Because, so that is there. Okay, so you get a project interview guide. Why you need it? You need it because whenever you go to an interview, the people will ask you the question from your resume, and your resume has that project, so you should have right answers to the questions asked. Okay, that is there, first of all. Okay, now, guys, maybe if you think, right, that this is going to help you, maybe you can include that project in your final year, a project as well. Maybe, you may include it as your major project, right? And guys, why this is important for you? This is, a well proven thought, guys. This is a well-proven thought that people already know. Everybody knows it, that applied projects are more valued than your academic projects. Applied projects are always, applied projects means industry-like projects, projects which really, test your skills, which really, want, a good efforts from you. These kind of projects are more valued than your academic projects, right? Okay. Now, to the last, a couple of points I'm also there, and then I will move to the next part of this, guys. My eighth value addition to is this, that listing a good project in resume means you are representing yourself in a better way. It also gives you a strength and reputation among other candidates, right? Because if you have a better, a resume, if you have a strong resume, then obviously, this is there. I'm getting a couple of questions, but I will take them later on. Saicharan, please hold on, and you can ask that question a little later. I will answer that. I'll be everything, right? So, guys, as a ninth point, right, you get a certificate of completion as well. So this is additional to letter of internship, but along with the letter of internship, you get a certificate of completion as well, guys. This is there. Now, so see this, guys. एक चीज जो आपको समझनी है, the one thing that you have to understand very clearly for your career, right? that is very important point, guys, and I have written it for you. This is something that you have to take care of always, guys. Even if you don't join the project season, that's okay, but always see this, guys. Your resume, real estate is a prime location, so you should really take the time to decide what goes on it, right? Relevant project, relevant skills, these kind of things you have to really take care of while preparing a resume for your career, guys. That is there. Okay, so that would be there. Okay, now, guys, uh, this time the project that we are offering, right, this time the project season 5 that I'm offering, the theme of this project season, right, is data analytics and powerful visualizations, guys. The theme as of now, what is the theme, guys? The theme is data analytics, right? Data analytics and powerful visualizations, world-class visualizations you can talk about. Okay, now coming to the next part, that what would be the major technology stack that would be used here. The major technology stack that would be used here, guys, is Python, pandas, numpy, and dash. Dash is a framework from Plotly that is used for world-class visualizations, guys. That is there. Okay, from a Plotly. So that would be the major technology platform, guys. As a minor technology platform, okay, minor technology stack, guys, you need to have a basic knowledge around HTML and CSS. And now, guys, I know in your mind, now you are popped up with a question that I don't know Python, I don't know pandas, I don't know HTML, I don't know CSS, I don't know what the dash is. That's okay. That is how we have designed this program. Even if you don't have the knowledge, the only knowledge that is required for you to join, guys, is just a basic Python knowledge. That's it. It's okay if you don't know pandas. It's okay if you don't know numpy. It's okay if you don't know dash. It's okay if you don't know HTML, CSS. That's okay, right? Only the basic knowledge around Python is enough. Basic. I'm not talking about the advanced knowledge. Okay, and guys, for a communication purpose, right? When your project development, will happen, right? When your project development will happen, the team will communicate to you, right? So for that purpose, guys, where you can raise your questions, raise your concerns, get the answer, kind of that. So guys, for a communication, we are going to use, we are going to use Slack platform. So guys, Slack is a tool that is used by industry, right? That is used by the industry for team communication, guys. So communication platform, Slack is there. So it will have unlimited chat support for you. So, unlimited chat support for you. So that is there. Now, guys, the data analytics project that we will make here, right? The data analytics project that we will make here, it has a data volume of 1,90,000 records, guys. That is the data volume. Okay, so this would be there. Now, guys, I will explain what the project is, right? So that would be there. As I told you, the duration of this is 30 days. Okay, duration is 30 days. That would be there. What is the prerequisite to join? That I told you, guys, that the basic knowledge around Python is sufficient to join. So that is the prerequisite, right? In case, right, in case you do not have that, in case you do not have that, right, in case you do not have that, guys, there is still a possibility to join, right? There is still a possibility to join. What is, in case you do not have the knowledge around basic Python, right? You can join our YouTube channel, Fast Coding School, and there are a lot of videos available regarding the basic Python. Okay, so that is there. Okay, that is there. Okay, now guys, when it is starting, this is starting from next Monday, guys. The start date, right? The start date is next Monday. This is getting started from next Monday, guys. Okay, so this is starting from the next Monday, and on the next Monday, guys, it will start from 7:30 p.m. in the evening. Okay, now question may come, right? Now question may come, guys, that what would be the time efforts. मेरा तो college भी चलता है, क्या करूं मैं, मेरे पास तो ज़्यादा time नहीं है, right? So guys, in that case, the time effort required for every day, guys, every day you will have to spend around 1 hour, guys, right? Time and effort required for every day would be around 1 hour, guys, daily. Sunday would be off, obviously. From Monday to Saturday we have this. Okay, now guys, we have breaked up this, right? The duration of the 30 days has been broken up week wise. So we have divided this project development activity into 4 weeks, guys, and this is the breakup. You can see this is the duration breakup, guys. In the week 1, that is first week, guys, in the week 1, only training. Training on what? Training on the required skills that would be needed to complete the project, that would be needed to develop the project, guys, right? And we know that most of the guys are new to this concept. They have done a lot of projects in the academic setup, but they don't know how to handle a client problem. They don't know how to approach a client problem statement. They don't know how to look at the problem, right? They have to develop those kind of skills as well. And that's why, in the week 2, guys, that's why in the week 2, we start, shifting the gears, that now from the training, we will shift to a guided development activity. So in the week 2, we have a training portion as well as the development portion, but that development would be a guided a development. So this would be called as a live mentor coding sessions, right? Either me or Sylvester or someone else from the Forsk team would be guiding you, doing a live coding for you, that how to solve this problem, right? How you can break the big problem statement into a smaller ones, and how to solve them independently, and finally how to integrate everything to make the complete project. So that would be there. In the week 3, because now in the week 2 you have taken all the baby steps required, now you guys are ready, we start with the solo development. So entire week 3 is for the solo development only, and this is where you really get a full confidence that yes, I can do this. Okay, so that would be there, and you would be guided to develop the whole project, right? So we are talking about end to end, right? Starting from the understanding of a problem statement, and up to how you can finally document your project, how you can finally package it, and and up to the final demo, guys. We are there with you. So in the week 4 we have this. So this is how we have a breakdown. Okay, this is how we have breaked up, guys, your program. Now, guys, if we talk about that, what the project details is, right? What the project detail is. So, guys, this time, we are extending the same project from the project season 3. With a couple of changes, right? So guys, the project title is terrorism analysis, right? Terrorism, a data analytics, and a visualization. So this is the problem, guys. This time we are going to deal with a data which is related to terrorism, right? And now everybody knows that this is how this is a hot topic in almost last 30 to 40 decades. It has been one of the pain point in the history of humankind. So this is there, guys, right? And now guys, So this is Sylvester sir. Give me the link of that talk.
I've shared on the Skype with you, sir.
Okay, so this just a minute. Can you share it again? So I need that document. So
Yeah, let me share it to you here. Just a minute.
yeah. So
Yep.
that is there. Okay. So just a minute. Let me copy it, guys. Let me show it to you, and then this is a problem statement document, guys. This is the problem statement document that there. It is just getting loaded. As of now, this is something what you see. So guys, this is there: terrorism analysis and finding insights, performing visualization, right? And guys, this problem statement was given to us by a Indian Army officer. Okay, and we did a complete a development for this. And out of that scenario only, we are bringing this project season to you. Okay, and obviously the actual data that he shared with us has been salted, right? It has been salted. There has been some changes from the real data, but still that is very close to what was the actual requirement, right? That is there. Now, guys, we will look into all the details when we start with this, right? Now, guys, uh, obviously, kind of you can say that uh, requirement, if you talk about, right? So obviously we have to develop a Python script. We have to integrate Dash into that, right? We have to use HTML, CSS basics as well. We have to use pandas and NumPy as well. And we have to create interactive visualizations. We have to create stunning, graphics, right? We have to generate, analysis of the terrorism data, guys. Here you can see, I'm just giving you a couple of requirements, not everything, right? I'm not going to the entire document, guys. We will have enough time to discuss on that when we start on the project season, because this would be our first document and we have to go through to a great detail, even before we start any development or any training. So first we will have to understand this topic, and then we have to create a design document. We have to create a project flow document. Then only we'll start with the other activities in the project domain. So we are going to give you a very good experience that how a really how a real client development happens, guys. Now, guys, here you can see that client should be able to filter 9 types of attacks. He should be able to filter the reason, country, state, date, right? And he should be able to see the patterns of the world data versus the India only data, right? And a lot of other things would be there, and a lot of visualizations you have to so you have to perform analytics, you have to perform visualization on that. Okay. Now, guys, coming to other things, that how you can join. Okay, how you can join this. Now I think everybody must be talking about that. So, guys, there are two modes of joining the project season. And there are two modes, two ways, using which you can join the project season. There is a free way and there is a paid way. There are two modes to join it. Okay. Now, guys, uh, to join, you have this link. Okay, to join, but don't go on the link directly. First, let me explain a couple of things. Then only you should go there. So this is the joining link, guys. So here you have to go and join. Okay. Now, guys, what is free and what is paid? Let me tell you that story. Okay, what is free and what is paid? Let me tell you that part. Then you click on that link, guys. This is here you can see the breakup, guys. This is you can see. Guys, we divide this project development activity of 30 days into two phases. Phase one, first 2 weeks. Phase two, last 2 weeks, guys. Okay. As I told you, right? In the week 1, you have a training only. In the week 2, we have training and a development. In the week 3, we have solo development, and the week 4, we have documentations and demo and packaging of the project. Okay. Now, guys, there are two modes: free one and paid one. Okay, this is there. Okay, now I'm making a comparison that what you get in free and what you get in the paid. Guys, if you join us for free, you will have access to 24, will have the access to the videos. So daily 24 hours access to videos in phase 1. Guys, mind it, this is for phase 1 only. That means for first 2 weeks, you will have access to the recordings of the session. Guys, you can join the session, right? Anytime without paying anything. I'm talking about the free. You will have unlimited technical support on the Slack, guys. That is there. Okay. Now, guys, in the phase 2, right? In the phase 2, the free users will not be given access to the recordings. In phase 2, access to the videos would be available only to paid users. Okay, only to paid users. The 4 weeks internship letter by Forsk Technologies would be given to paid users only. This is something which is not available to the free people, right? They will get a free entry to the entire 30 days program, guys. No questions asked, right? Now, you get a certificate of completion as well as a paid user, okay? You get an opportunity for the final demo as well. So demo opportunity is only available to those people who go for paid model, okay? And guys, right, obviously in the phase 2, kind of daily meetings and daily, discussions that is available to paid users, right? And finally, guys, this project interview question guide, which is going to, which is going for you, going to help you guys in the interview. So you will get set of questions and answers in a form of a guide related, so this is there. Okay, this is there, guys. Okay, so this is a quick comparison I have made, guys. And guys, in the season 3, we had 100 plus, paid users. We had 100 plus paid users in the season 3, and we have invited a couple of people from them, there now, guys. So we have Ishika from Bikaner. We have Parth. I'm not sure, Parth from where he is actually. We have, Raghavendra, and we have Kratika. So Kratika is from Madhya Pradesh, okay, and Sahil is also there. Sahil Rahman is also there. Parth is from Indore. Okay, cool. And Raghavendra is, I think, from Bangalore because he is already doing a job. So guys, first, I would invite Parth. Okay, so Parth, this is for you. That can you please share your experience, that what is your experience, what has been your experience in the project season 3, what was a new learning for you, right? What was something is was it a game changer for you? Was it a kind of a entirely new experience that you have never experienced in your past? So whatever you have, please share with us. You may unmute yourself, and you can directly communicate to the people who are in this room. Parth.
So I think so. You need to make him the co-host, then he will be able
Okay,
to.
so Parth, let me make you a co-host.
And also Ishika also.
Parth, I think now you can unmute yourself.
Yes, good evening, everyone. And as our guide say, good evening, guys and gals. Like Sylvester Fernandez always do this in the starting of our class. And if I go about the experience of this project season, first of all, I have no confidence about that I can do it. And about 70% of the people who are attending the first webinar, were not confident at all that they can do this. Like I was thinking on the first day of the webinar that this is also possible. This thing I can do. I was thinking like that, and after the support of Sylvester Fernandez sir and Folks Coding School, I get to know the confidence in myself day by day on Slack as well. There are many people who are getting doubts, and when I solved their doubts on Slack, it was quite good experience for me because it was building me. I was not helping them. It was building me, and when I got appreciated for this, first of all, I got appreciated by Sylvester Fernandez sir for helping others, and that was the turning point when I got the confidence. Yes, I know everything and I can do it. And after that, a turning point again came of the college work. Everyone get these turning points. Like I got the college work, I left behind. Everyone is going and going, and I was left behind. And after that, I told Sylvester sir that I will cope up in some days. So see, he never scolded me like why you left behind, why you don't do this, you have to do this. And when I told Sylvester sir that sir, there was some problem, there was some issues with my college, and I have engaged in that, he thoroughly just told me, no problem, you can do it, Parth. And that statement again gave me the energy to do the same. And after that statement, I in a day I have about three to seven homeworks. I have coped at about 3 to 7 homeworks of that statement that sir told me, no problem, you can do it, Parth. And that's the most good thing I could say. This project season is not giving you this is just a, like, I should say it would be a learning experience to everyone. It would be a learning experience, but it would also be a life changing experience, because the freshers or freshies who are into it are not getting confident. And after this season, I am this much confident that I can give a webinar, or I can do the same thing over about 1500 to 1700, how many people, I it doesn't matter. So the best thing is the self confidence I got. Another thing, the learning experience, it was quite good. Over the Slack, I got the teammates, I got the best team ever who coped up with me. And if I talk about the project, I learned many things that I even don't know. When first of all, sir told me about Dash, and he given us the links of Dash, I was not at all knowing that what is Dash and how could I do that. This is new to me, and in 1 month, how could I do that? But the support, the like the confidence they have given, the team has given, give me a like I should say the power of doing the work. And really, I am thankful to Forsk team as well. I am connected with Forsk about 1 year when the lockdown has started. Since then, I am connected with the folks, and I am really thankful to Sylvester Fernandez sir, Yugen sir, and Force Coding School to make me such confident that now I can do anything. Any opportunity if I'll get, I will not run behind
सो
about that.
सो
I can't do
सो
this.
सो पार्थ, अभी थोड़ा सा हमें टाइम का प्रॉब्लम है, तो थोड़ी सी बात अपनी जल्दी से खत्म करें तो
Yes,
अच्छा
sir.
रहेगा.
It has been done, sir. Actually, sir, प्रॉब्लम ये है ना, इतना कुछ फोर्स्क ने मुझे दिया है कि कम ही नहीं हो रहे हैं शब्द. फोर्स्क ने
So
मुझे
I think so, Parth, what is important is that you were able to complete the project with your college studies also. That's a very
exactly,
important
sir.
point, I think so.
Yes,
And
sir.
that should be and
Sylvester sir, I think we can include more people.
yeah.
So maybe we can bring
Ishika
Raghavendra,
also there.
Ishvara, Kratika. So Raghavendra, would you like to share something? You can unmute yourself,
Yeah.
Raghavendra, now.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. I'm audible now.
Yeah, audible.
Yeah. Say good evening. It was my name is Raghavendra. I am from Bangalore here. Uh, it was a very good experience. Recently, I visited 2, 3 classes of this project season. Then I'll come to know that it's very good project. I seen 2, 3 projects and with clear documentation. Nowhere we are getting this kind of projects with clear documentation. Even I like the best visualization technique teached by Sylvester Sirs, very good. The demo, along with the demo, it's very good. Also the community sessions for machine learning, data science, Python, it's also well organized. Every concept was precisely covered, explained by Sylvester Sir. And even though these sessions are very informative, even in the beginning, I'm also not in confidence. The best part is Sylvester Sir is giving everyday homework. The clearing that homework is very challenging to us. The next day we are waiting for the session, he has cleared those homework, all those things. So it was a very good teaching. ASM faculty, thank you, Sylvester sir and Yogen sir, for this wonderful experience for this project season 3.
Thank you, Raghavendra.
Thank you, Raghavan. Thank you.
And just to tell everybody, Raghavendra is not a student. Okay, he's not
Yeah.
a student of a like well. Okay.
So the best part is I liked the visualization technique you have
Yeah.
done for using the dash notes. Very good actually. I like it very much.
Yes.
And the homework part also very good. Every day we are waiting for the homework, what to do for the next challenge for next day.
So I think Raghavan, the best thing that I can tell about you is that still you have a learning zeal. I think even people who are in the college,
Exactly, sir.
they have no clue what to do, right? And I'm very happy for you that you.
Sir, no, it's naturally we are getting motivation to learn the same project. The way he's talking to and the teaching style faculty is very good actually. I've never seen, being South India, I've never seen such a faculty. Yes, it's very wonderful experience for me. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Raghavan.
Thank you,
Thank you. So now I invite Kratika. 2 मिनट में अपनी बात अगर अच्छे से कह सकें, that would be best.
Yeah, sure, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, audible, Kratika.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. My name is Kritika Kothari, and I'm a final year student. It was really amazing and a good opportunity to be a part of the last project season. If you are a beginner, then don't worry. It will not be much that difficult, because when I started, I'm also at intermediate level at Python and a beginner in data science. And I was really doubtful that will I able to complete my project or not, and who will solve all my problems if I got stuck somewhere. But as the days and the weeks passed by, this platform made me more easy and bring confidence in me. The Sylvester sir, Yogen sir, is really a great mentor. His training and the teaching way is really crystal clear, and he also teaches us how to work in industry and the tricks and the tactics like working with the agile model and exact other many more things. And you will also be able to learn everything in data analytics from Python, Pandas, library, and the Dash. Dash is such a wonderful framework in Python for visualization. So I recommended everyone here to do this internship program, and the latter and the project that you will do will definitely be help you during your placements. And this project will definitely keeps you apart from all your colleagues. And what you will not get, everything you will get from friends, teammates, mentors, motivation, self confidence, and of course a big great learning. And so you will never left such opportunity. Just you should go for it.
So Kratika, you very well summarized in 2 minutes. Thank you for that.
I still remember Kritika one day called me and she was asking me, "Sir, मैं कर पाऊंगी या नहीं कर पाऊंगी?" मैं कहा, "Kritika, have faith in us, okay? If you follow what I'm telling you, you will really be able to complete the project." And I think so. Yesterday or day before yesterday, she submitted a project. Good, Kritika.
Yes, sir, it really worked out.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So now I invite Ishita. Ishita, again, you have just 2 minutes, right? Because people are waiting to ask their questions. So I will take their questions, but first Ishita, then Tala. उन लोगों को मैं बुलाना चाहता हूँ, Tala Mohammed. So Ishita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, तो बताएंगे 2 मिनट में अपना experience. How was your experience?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, good evening, all. I am Ishita, and I am a student of class 9th. और मेरा ब्रदर श्रेयांश जैन है, वो क्लास 7th में है. तो हमने फोर्स कोडिंग स्कूल का जब हमें पता चला, सो वी वर वेरी एक्साइटेड. और हमने काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें सीखी इधर से. हमने मशीन लर्निंग के बेसिक्स सीखे और काफ़ी ज़्यादा सपोर्ट किया हमें सिल्वेस्टर सर और योगेंद्र सर ने. सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू बोथ. थैंक यू सर. और बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था मेरा. हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा. एंड yes, that's all.
Yeah, thank you, Ishita. Yeah, thank you. So,
Tala Mohammed is there.
yeah, Tala.
Hello everyone, am I audible?
Yeah, Tala, you're audible. Are you from Hyderabad, Tala?
Yes, I am from Hyderabad, Yogendra sir.
Okay, please बताएं अपनी
Yes, so first of all, I would like to thank Dr. Sylvester sir, Yogendra sir for staying by the side of all the students, whatever the situation arises. So I have been a part of Forsk coding team from Python exactly, and then went on to pursue the course of machine learning and as well as deep learning. But the last project we interacted was with the project season 9. Sir, what was the project season? Eight, yes. So exactly, the project season was very well interactive, as because the platform Slack is actually a really good platform to interact with other people and as well as the Fox coding team. So whatever the errors we had or the learning phase was actually pretty well made from the bottom up. So I would like to tell all the people who are going to enroll in this project is that don't just be afraid of not completing the project, because you just have to have a leap of faith. That leap of faith is necessary to complete the project. That's all from my side.
Yeah, thank you, Tala. Very good. Thank you for that. Okay. So guys, I think a couple of people we just invited to interact with you so that they can share their stories with you and probably give you a kind of a confidence, right? That yes, you can also do it. Okay, guys, two, three things, and then I will open for the queries from your side. पहली चीज, right? अगर आपको नहीं पता है, right? If you don't know anything around pandas, if you don't know anything around numpy, dash, that's okay. We are going to train you first, right? Then only the development will happen. Okay, guys, we have kept the first week completely free for all, right? We have kept first week free for all. You don't have to pay in the beginning, guys. You don't have to pay in the beginning of the project season, guys. First week is completely free for all. And if you want to go for paid, where you want an internship letter, where you want the certificate of completion, where you want the demo opportunity, where you want a interview guide, where you want the recorded sessions, then you can upgrade yourself to the paid model in the second week, guys. In the second week. Okay, and the fee for this project season 5 is just 2,000 rupees only. Just 2,000 rupees only. Actually, we are we plan to price it for 5,000. Okay, we plan to price it for 5,000, maybe in the future seasons, but as of now we are offering it on a discounted price, and the total amount that you have to pay is just 2,000 rupees. And now, guys, we are open for the question, for any queries if you have, right? So now people are coming up with their questions, right? So here we have questions, right? So Anirudh is the first one who has given me a query. Sir, being a commerce student, will I be able to get through it? I don't have programming background, just took your Python AML course. So as a commerce student, will I be able to make it? I want to learn, I want to work on the data and apply it in the finance. So Anirudh, even if you are a commerce student, okay, that is fine, right? That will help you doing analytics and finance domain. But if you have taken the courses from Forsk around Python, around ML, around AI, then I think it is okay. It is good for you that you can participate in this. अगर तुम ये कहते कि तुम्हें पाइथन का एमएल का कोई आइडिया नहीं है, तुमने कोई कोर्स अभी तक नहीं किया है, तो मैं तुम्हें मना कर देता, राइट? बट now you can participate because you have a background, right? And you have been with us for a long time now. So Anirudh, you can very well participate in it. And what would be the good? Once you understand these visualization and analytics techniques, you can apply them in your finance sector as well, Anirudh, right? You can apply them, right? So yes, Anirudh, you will have a helping hand every time available. Don't worry about that, right? Don't worry about that, right? So that is there. Okay. Now Amya Patil is there. Sir, will the development happen in small teams or will everyone do on their own? Amya Patil, as of now, we are not allowing people to work in teams. People will work on their own only, right? Individual development will be there because that way only you will learn. Okay, that way only this. Okay. Now Jay Gupta is here. Sir, hello sir, I'm a student of MCA final year 5th semester. Sir, I want to do internship and want to do a job in good company. So to get a good job in a company, Jay, I think it is better to have a couple of internship first, and once you have good internship, you have the good job opportunities as well. So maybe you can opt for it, Jay, right? So that is there, guys. Okay, now coming to the next question. Okay, Shivani, I have answered your question. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah. Now coming to the next question, right? So no sign, right? In that case, you will stay up to phase 1 only, right? So that is there. Mohammed Samir is saying from Mansoor, sir, we will use Keras or sklearn in this project. So Samir, this is an analytics project, right? So for analytics, we will use pandas, we will use NumPy, we will use Dash. Dash is a tool for visualization analytics, right? Abhinay Potti is saying, will my coding skills improve? Definitely, Abhinay, right? Definitely your coding skills, your problem solving skills, your approach to tackle a project, your ability to manage a project, everything is going to improve. No doubt about it, right? We have attested data on it. That would be there, right? Pratik Paul is saying, good evening, sir. I want to learn and explore the biological data as I'm from bioinformatics. So can I apply them over genetic and protein data? Would I be able to apply my learning there? I think, Pratik Paul, you can very well correlate what you learn from this project, and take those learnings to your actual domain of a work, that is your a protein data or genetic data. And I think if you want to perform some kind of analytics and visualization of that kind of a data, probably that will help you, right? So Pratik, if you're really interested in making a career as a data scientist in the domain of biological data, bioinformatics, this can be a very very good opportunity for you, right? यार 2000 रुपये में ये समझने को मिल जाए कि ये मेरे काम का नहीं है, तो वो तो बहुत बड़ी लर्निंग है प्रतीक। अगर कोई 2000 रुपये लेके मुझे ये बता देने कि भाई तू ये काम नहीं कर सकता, और या ये पता चल जाए 2000 रुपये में कि यार ये तो काम मैं बहुत आसानी से कर सकता हूँ, अभी तक वैसे ही डरा हुआ था, राइट? तो ये I think this can be just good opportunity. I think you should look on the opportunity side, not on the cost side. I'm just saying, मतलब तुमने कोई रेज नहीं किया क्वेश्चन कि मुझे फीस में क्या है, मैं सिर्फ बता रहा हूँ उस चीज के लिए प्रतीक, राइट? Rohit Pawar is saying, sir, the platform or app we will be developing project would be online based or software cost, sir. I don't have laptop, PC. Rohit, a laptop and PC is required for the development. अगर वो आपके पास नहीं है तो फिर मैं आपको बोलूँगा कि आप इसमें join ना करें. Rohit, right? You should not join it, right? So Dinesh is saying, sir, when I'm registered in paid version, if I don't pay money in second week, so Dinesh, you have first week as a training, right? Everybody is there, and the second week you have to decide where you want to go for a paid version or not. So second week you have to decide. So still you will have good amount of time, and then you can take your decision, right? Somebody is saying that, can you share the link to register? So I will share that link to register is this, guys. Here you can see on my screen. I will share that in the chat window as well. Okay. Veda is saying, will this include big data analytics? Will we use any specific platform like Hadoop or PySpark for analysis and machine learning? No, Veda, we are not going to use Hadoop or Spark in this particular project. Maybe in the future you may have something. As of now, we just want to focus on data analytics and visualization. Although data size is large, it takes 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15 minutes to load the data on a strong machine, a good configuration machine as well. So the data size is large enough, but as of now, we will not use Hadoop. We will use our Python skills and Panda's capabilities to handle that size of data, right? Ishika Thakur is there. I'm in my 4th year right now. My placements have started. Will I be able to complete it along the placement preparations? I think this is one of your placement preparation, Ishika. ये तो प्लेसमेंट प्रिपरेशन का पार्ट है. आप उसको अलग से मत मानिए कि आपको अलग से टाइम निकालना पड़ेगा. रोज 1 घंटे ही तो निकालना है, और उससे तो आपका एक अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट आपके रिज्यूमे बन जाएगा. आप कहोगे सामने वाली कंपनी से कि सर मैं तो ऑलरेडी इंटर्नशिप कर रही हूँ, देखिए ये प्रोजेक्ट मैंने बनाया है, दिस इज द प्रोजेक्ट आई हैव डन एंड दिस इज द इंडस्ट्री ग्रेड प्रोजेक्ट. उसका तो इंप्रेशन ही अलग होगा. उसका तो इट विल मेक यू स्टैंड आउट. Ishika, this is going to be a great opportunity for you. This is going to help you in your placement. This is not a deterrent for you for placement preparation. So you should consider it as a placement preparation activity, not as a separate activity, Ishika. Okay. Santosh is there, sir. On completing this project season, we will get ideas to do more project apart from this. Yes, Santosh, you have got it very correctly. Once you complete one cycle of project season, you become ready to handle any kind of project, because the learnings that you get here, how to manage a project, how to understand the problem statement, how to solve it, how to create a document, how to look for help on the Google, right? And how to, day-wise incrementally, achieve your goal, right? How to make a progress around that. ये सारी चीजें you are going to learn, and this is, and once you have these learning, जैसा पार्थ ने कहा था कि मैं इसके बाद, once I have completed the season, I'm confident that I can take any challenge now. I can take any challenge now. और उस challenge को लेने के लिए अब उसको Forsk की जरूरत नहीं है, right? Because he is now trained, he is now ready, he is confident now. संतोष, तो ये चीज यहाँ पे रहेगा, right? So that would be there. Guys, then we have Pragya Narang is saying, sir, when the internship will start? It is starting from next Monday, guys. This is starting from, next Monday. Akhil is also saying, sir, you are saying we can use this project in your final year. Yes, you can use this project in your final year, right? No doubt about it, right? Surbhi Rajkumari is saying, sir, I have a little bit HTML, CSS and Python, but I don't know NumPy Pandas. So will I be able to do this project? Should be. I told you, right, that you only need to have basic Python skills. If you don't know Nampi, we will teach you, right? If you don't know pandas, we will teach you first, because that's why in the week 1 we are keeping a training for you, right? In the Surbi, right? So don't worry, right? Have a confidence, have a trust on us, and that's it. That's it. Nothing else is required, right? Ritika Bhargav is saying, sir, will this course work well even if we don't have good coding skills? कोडिंग स्किल्स अच्छी करने के लिए भी तो ये कर सकते हैं रितिका भार्गव जी, राइट? कोडिंग स्किल्स अच्छी है तभी प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे ऐसा तो नहीं है ना। हमें तो प्रोजेक्ट बनाने के साथ साथ एक और फायदा मिल जाएगा, वो फायदा ये है कि हमारी कोडिंग स्किल्स इंप्रूव हो जाएंगी, राइट? क्यों? क्योंकि रोज प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, रोज नई चीजें लिखेंगे, रोज। भाई कोडिंग की कोई दवाई नहीं आती है, there is no pill available, right, that after popping it you will become expert in coding. नहीं, वो रोज सीखना पड़ता है, रोज प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ती है, and that will come into practice if you join this program, Ritika, right? And that's why obviously you will get an improvement in the coding, no doubt about it, right? Now Bhavani Sahu is there. Sir, actually I am a student of MCA final year, लेकिन हमारा 4th सेम अभी तक नहीं हुआ है। अगर सितंबर लास्ट को एग्जाम होगा तो क्या मैं इंटर्नशिप कर पाऊंगी? अगर सितंबर लास्ट में एग्जाम होता है भवानी, यू टेक अ ब्रेक, राइट भवानी, you take a break, we will give you an extension, Bhavani, right? In case you get an exam in the last week in the September, don't worry, we will give you an extension, and after completion of your exams you can finish your project, you can finish your internship. Bhavani, is that clear now? Okay. Now, Lucky Parik is there. Sir, do you also provide projects related to complete ML model? Lucky, we will have, related to machine learning and AI in the next seasons, right? In this. And guys, there is also a question that I'm from a non-CSE background. Can I do it? अगर आपको IT में job करना है, right, if you want to get a placement opportunity in the IT company, चाहे तुम CSE से हो, चाहे तुम EC से हो, चाहे तुम electrical से हो, किसी से भी हो, right, prepare तो करना पड़ेगा अपने आप को, right? And to prepare for that, this is going to be a great opportunity for you, right? Surbi saying, sir, my Python is just beginning level. That's okay, Surbi, don't worry about it. It will get improved over the internship, right? So Vajnath Savrate is saying, sir, do we get a job calls after this project? So Vajnath, I think if you have a couple of such projects in your resume, right, Forsk will help you to get a job calls, Vajnath, right? We are going to help you. Yes, Ravi Shekhar, your skills will improve. Your skills regarding project management, your skills regarding the communication, your skills regarding coding, your skills regarding analytics, your skills regarding project visualization, everything is going to improve in that, right? That would be there. So, Anuva Kansal, sir, web development इसमें काम आएगा. Basic of HTML and CSS काम आने वाले हैं Anuva Kansal, right? ये वेब डेवलपमेंट का प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, मेजर पार्ट इसमें वेब डेवलपमेंट नहीं है, मेजर पार्ट है is analytics and visualization, right? That is there. Okay. Yes, Swarnika, you will do the project individually, right? We do not allow people to make team. Okay. हाँ, कम्युनिकेशन ओपन रहता है, आप किसी से भी बात करो, किसी से भी हेल्प लो, स्लैक रहेगा, आप अपनी बात वहाँ पे रख सकते हैं, एनीवन कैन हेल्प यू इफ यू गेट इनटू सम डाउट, राइट? फॉर्स्ट टीम तो रहती है, कई बार लोग 1-to-1 उसमें भी हेल्प करने लग जाते हैं, जैसे पार्थ हेल्प करता था, ईश्वर हेल्प करता था लोगों को, ईशिका हेल्प करती थी, राइट? दैट वाज देयर. Now guys, you have, okay, Shatakshi Mishra is there. Shatakshi is saying, sir, good evening, sir. I'm a student pursuing BTech in IT. I'm in second year. Sir, I'm very much confused and also have a fear that what language I do. I want to get a job in good company with a handsome package. So what can I do? Where I have to start? सबसे पहले तो Shatakshi, I think you are not the only one candidate who lives in a confusion. The first year and the second year, even up to the final year of BTech, every year is a confusion year, basically, to tell you very frankly. And this is not only with you, it happens with everybody. सिर्फ 10% लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनको कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है, जिनको पहले दिन से पता है क्या करना है और इसीलिए वो सक्सेसफुल हो पाते हैं. जो कंफ्यूजन में रहता है उसकी टाइम और एनर्जी अलग अलग चीजों में जाती रहती है, वो एक चीज पे फोकस करके कभी भी काम नहीं कर पाता है. राइट. सो मेरा मानना ये है शताक्षी, that can be a very good opportunity for you. आप एक बार ट्राई कीजिए इसको. You try it once sincerely, डिसिप्लिन में रहिए, कॉन्फिडेंस रहिए. 1 महीने के बाद आपका थॉट प्रोसेस, 1 महीने के बाद आपकी सोचने का जो तरीका, राइट, बदल जाएगा. दैट आई कैन गारंटी यू, दैट आई कैन अश्योर यू. अगर आपने सिंसियरली 30 डेज तक काम किया, जो इंस्ट्रक्शंस आपको दिए जा रहे हैं, आपकी सोच का तरीका बदल जाएगा और ये कंफ्यूजन में जो रहने वाली जो लाइफ है वो दूर हो जाने वाली है. दैट गारंटी आई कैन गिव यू. And give me a call after 1 month after the completion of the project कि what happened to you, Satakshi, right? तो वो देखिए चीजें करने से आएंगी. हम बैठे रहेंगे. दूसरा क्या होता है, इतना पीयर प्रेशर होता है. एक दोस्त यार ये कर रहा है, 2 दोस्त ये कर रहे हैं, तीसरा दोस्त ये कुछ कर रहा है, मैं क्या करूं, राइट? लक्ष्य मूवी आप लोगों ने देखी होगी, ऋतिक रोशन वाली, उसमें यही तो रहता है और क्या है, राइट? सो वंस यू मेक अप योर माइंड टू डू समथिंग, राइट, कंफ्यूजन अपने आप दूर होता चला जाता है. तो एक बार एक चीज के साथ स्टिक हो जाइए, एक बार उस चीज पे थोड़ा फेथ करके उसके साथ बने रहिए फॉर सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, राइट? And if you have the skills, Satakshi, right, if you have the communication, you have the attitude, learning attitude, right, getting a package in the good company is not a big deal. लोगों को मिलते ही है ना, ऐसा थोड़ी है कि मिले नहीं है अभी तक और तुम्हें ही पहली बार मिलेंगे. नहीं, लोगों को पहले मिले भी हैं अच्छे पैकेज, तो तुम्हें भी मिलेंगे. बट तुम्हें थोड़ा सा अपना रास्ता सही करना होगा, अपनी सोच को सही करना होगा. Satakshi. So Aravindu is there. Hi sir, I have no prior knowledge regarding data analytics. So is this course will help to learn it from scratch or beginning? Yes, Arvind, it is going to help you learn data analytics from beginning. And it's okay if you do not have any knowledge regarding data analytics. That's okay. We have a training for that. Stephen D'Souza is saying, I have some knowledge regarding basics in Python, including NumPy, Pandas, and MATLAB. Am I fit to work on this project? Yes, Stephen D'Souza, you are very much fit to work on this project. If some gap is missing, if some skills are not with you, there is a training. We will, have it in the beginning of the project development. So, no issues in that. So you are, a good fit for this. Okay. Rajesh Patil is saying, sir, we will have a Java internship also in future? In future, it may have, Rajesh, but as of now, I can't comment anything into that. Okay. Yeah, Nandini, I got your message now. Thank you. Okay. Shubham Laxkar is saying, can we use Google Collaboratory for development? No, Shubham, we will use Anaconda Spider for the development. We will not use Colab. Okay. Saloni Jan is saying, sir, it's such a great opportunity. Today I have no query because you cleared all the doubts. Thank you. Thanks, Saloni. And good luck. Okay. Kanish Agarwal is saying, sir, what are minimum PC requirements? I think a decent PC with 8 GB RAM is okay. 4 GB is also okay, but I think 8 GB is the recommended one, right? So Pratik Kaul is saying, I'm enrolling and I have also enrolled in a few past paid ones and followed many tutorials. Excited to learn and explore. Thanks. Yes. So guys, पहली चीज तो आप ये है कि जो लोग भी register कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे उनको अभी कुछ पैसा नहीं देना. They don't have to pay anything, right? It is not asking money, right? The payment will go if you switch for a paid model, right? So they will start in the second week, right? That would be there. So now Kunal Sahar is there. Good evening, sir. After internship, my knowledge improved, and in paid, which things you take? So obviously, Kunal, when you spend time and efforts for 30 days, you are doing coding in Pandas. You are using Python coding. You are using a tool. You are using a dash. Every day you are doing some kind of homework. Every day you are solving some problems. So why things will not improve for you? Tumhi batao, why things will not improve for you if you do that, right? So this is there. Swati Lohia is there. Sir, right now I came in BTech second year. Even I even don't what the project problem actually looks like. Sir, is this webinar help in this? Okay, so Swati, I think that is going to help you. Guys, जो बच्चे फर्स्ट ईयर या सेकेंड ईयर में ही इन चीजों को पकड़ने लग जाते हैं, वो सोचो फाइनल ईयर में क्या पकड़ेंगे. Guys, do you get this, this philosophy? The guys who are already aware for such things in first year or second year of their BTech, right? You can really think that how confident, right, they would be in their final years, right? They will not look for a placement opportunities. वो तो सोचेंगे कि यार प्लेसमेंट में तो 2 लाख 3 लाख 4 लाख का ही पैकेज मिल रहा है, यार ये तो नहीं चाहिए मुझे, मेरे तो इतनी स्किल्स है, मैं तो कॉलेज से बाहर का प्लेसमेंट पकड़ूंगा, राइट? So those things will that is there. Ritika Bhargav is saying, what tool do we require to do this project? So Ritika, we will need Python, we will need Anaconda Spider, we will need Pandas, we will need NumPy, we will need Dash, right? Kind of tools that would be required. Okay, and they all would be included in the training. हम लोग पहले दिन सब बताएंगे धीरे-धीरे करके आपको सारी चीजें, right? Shurbi Rajkumari is saying, sir, I know little bit HTML, CSS, and Python, but I don't know NumPy, Pandas, right? That's okay. Even if you are a beginner level, Shurbi, right? Don't worry. That's why we have kept a training component. पहले training हो रही है, तभी तो project पे काम होगा. ये बहुत सारे लोगों का problem है, right? ये बहुत सारे लोगों का problem है, right? Sriram is saying, good evening, sir. How soon can we register? So you can register this by Sunday evening, right, Sylvester, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so you can register for it by Sunday evening, because this is starting on Monday evening. So please register yourself by Sunday evening. Yeah, Javed. So Javed, basically, if we have any job raffles, we provide that as well. और हम लोगों को हेल्प करते हैं, बट कोई बंदा जनरली हम जॉब रेफरल्स उसको देते हैं जो कम से कम 2 सीजन हमारे साथ कर चुका हो, 2 इंटर्नशिप्स हमारे साथ कर चुका हो, उसको हम डेफिनेटली उसमें असिस्ट करते हैं, राइट? दैट वुड बी देयर. सो Dinesh is saying what software we use. So Dinesh, we use Pandas, we use NumPy, we use Dash, we use a tool for the tool we are using Spider, right? That is there. So Jay is saying, sir, how many months our project would be completed? It is for 30 days, Jay, right? So we are going to complete this in 1 month. Okay, we're going to complete this in 1 month. Kanishk, we are planning on that, so let's wait for the update. Madhushmita is saying, sir, I'm doing second year MBA in operations management. Is this helpful for me? Rather than answering directly to this question, let me tell you a use case. So we had a candidate with the name Priyanka Chaudhary, Madhusmita, right? And she was a BTech graduate from IIT Mumbai in chemicals. And then she did MBA from IIM Ahmedabad. And then she called us that I want to do Python. Then we asked her that why you want to do Python? You are from such institutes, why you need it? That I have got everything. I have a job and everything, but in my job I would be involved in some kind of data analytics and data operations, and for that I need to learn Python. And so she joined our Python course, right? And right now she's in US, Madhusmita.
So I think so. In the last season also, there were a couple of students from the MBA also who have joined our project season. So it's available for them also. I've seen the last season.
Good. Nalin Srivastav is saying, sir, I have done training of HTML, CSS from college and Python from you. Can they work together in the same project? Yeah, they will work in this project, Nalin. It would be good opportunity for you to club them. Mahima Kaushik is saying, which Dash should we use, Core or any other? Sylvester, sir, are we using Core, Dash?
Yeah,
Core?
we are using Core Dash.
Okay. Mahima, we are using core, right? Abhinay Patti saying, is this project the internship, or for another 30 days we will get a letter? No, this project will be an internship for you, and you will get a 30 days internship letter for this only, Abhinay, right? So that is there. Okay. So Pragya Naring is saying, sir, good evening, sir. We have to pay you for this internship, or you will pay us? So Pragya, we are not paying us. The participants who want to join this internship, they will have to pay, right? They will have to pay. The reason is that the people are not ready yet to work on the client. Once you become ready, you can handle the project on your own. You are independent. We will pay you the stipend, don't worry. But first, improve your skills, right? Work on your skills. Once the skills are ready, anything you will get an internship with a stipend, you will get a job, Pragya, right? पहले अपन आपको तैयार कीजिए, and then you will get this. Nitish Jan is saying, sir, what is the timing for training? So Nitish, it will happen in the evening. I think as of now we have decided the time around 7:30 to 8:30. That would be the time. Right? So this is there. Aarti is saying, sir, good evening, sir. I have done course from you. My experience with you is very good. But I'm from a small village and I have electricity and network issues sometimes. So if I miss some sessions, is there any option to cover missed part? So Aarti, in that case, what I told you that if you go for a paid model, Aarti, right, we will share the recordings of the daily session, right? Daily sessions recording would be shared with you, right? So that would be there, Aarti, right? संजय इज देयर सर. मैं मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हूँ, मैं पाइथन सीखी है और मुझे आईटी में ही काम करना है, तो मुझे थोड़ा डाउट है आगे जाके क्या किया जाए, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, एआई एंड एमएल. संजय, अगर आपको एआई एमएल में या किसी में भी जॉब चाहिए, आपकी हमेशा एंट्री एज ए डेटा एनालिस्ट ही होगी. अगर फ्रेशर की अगर हम बात करें तो फ्रेशर को हमेशा यही जॉब मिलती है. बाद में जैसे जैसे उनका एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ता है वैसे वैसे उनको पोजीशन चेंज होती जाती है, वो डेटा साइंटिस्ट भी बन जाते हैं और एआई एमएल में भी चले जाते हैं. तो स्टार्टिंग यहाँ से होता है संजय. ओके. Utkarsh is saying, so this project include deployment part. As of now, we have not included that, Utkarsh. Okay. Maybe in future we may add this, but as of now, consider it not included. Okay. Satakshi Mishra is saying, sir, can we do internship in second year? Why not, Satakshi? You can do internship in every year now. You can do it in first year. Every year is allowed and every year is valid now. So Subham Lakshkar is saying, sir, I want to build strong concepts in data analytics, and will it help me some way in ML too? It will help you in data analytics and visualization, right? Not in ML, Subham, right? Dinesh is saying, sir, what are the hardware components? There is no hardware component used in this project. Everything is a software based. Okay. Yes, Swarnika, you are right. So Avnish, what is your question? Can you please let me know? Pragya Naring is 6, and I'm BTech 8th semester student. My exam will start from 25th September to 30th. So can I take a break during that my examination? I think, Pragya, you can take a break in that, right? So and what you have to do in that case, use our recorded sessions, and if you have doubts, you connect with our TA team, right? You connect with the team who will guide you, right, Pragya? So that is there. That is there, guys. Okay. Prashant is saying, sir, if I have taken it free, what would be cover? You will get access to the training phase 1. Phase 1 में पूरा access आपको रहेगा. Slack पे पूरा support है. उसके बाद आपको access नहीं रहेगा चीज़ों का, प्रशांत, right? That is there. Okay, Swati, I got your masses. Okay. Swarnika Raut is saying, I have no knowledge in analytics and visualization. उसी के लिए तो बना रहे हैं स्वर्णिका. नहीं आता है तभी तो सीख रहे हैं. आएगा तो फिर कौन सीखेगा? Right? स्वर्णिका. और क्या चीज चाहिए, क्या नॉलेज होनी चाहिए उसके लिए we have a training, right, in the first week. So we will have that, right? Mehak Saxena is saying, sir, when it will start? It will start from next Monday, Mehak. Okay. And you will get all the details once you register for it, right? Sylvester, sir, can you share this link on the YouTube as well?
Yeah.
Tapashwini Kar is there. Okay, Tapashwini is back. Sir, I have started this project very early when you introduced this, and I got stuck and left due to lack of guidance. So I'm confused. So Tapashwini, please join again. And I think you basically somehow disconnected from that. So आप वापस से join कीजिए and you will complete it. The completion rate in the project 3 season 3 is very, very high. Everybody is because now we have changed our format, right, Tapashwini? We have changed our format and now we make sure that everybody completes it on time. Okay, that is there. So Tapashwini is saying, I have no idea how to link the graphs and visualization using Dash to the front end. Tapashwini will understand, and that's why we have included the training part as well, right? Yeah. Manisha is saying, sir, if we do good internship, will you recruit us? Yes, if you have good internships and we have opportunities, definitely we will consider you, Manisha, right?
So recently we recruited approximately 7 to 8 people from our last batches only.
Yeah, from the last batches only who did internships with us, we have recruited 7-8 people in the last month only. So Manish is saying, how we will get the certificate, through email or WhatsApp? You will get it through email, right? That is there. Prateek Paul, not in this. We will discuss it in some other session because that is something as of now not relevant to it. So, but we'll take it in some other session, Prateek. So that is there. Satakshi, you can. Sylvester sir, can you share the contact details with Satakshi Mishra? So you can contact Surendra then. Yeah. सलोनी ML के लिए अलग काम करना पड़ेगा, वो अलग ML भी सीखनी पड़ेगी, तो एक अलग एक्टिविटी है, but yes, you can learn that, right? Anuva is saying, sir, will there be a full stack development project where we can work in team? Anuva, as of now, we are not allowing people to work in a team because होता क्या है, जो टीम बनती है उसमें से 4 लोगों ने टीम बनाई, एक ने काम किया, 3 ने कुछ काम ही नहीं किया, वो हम लोग अभी नहीं अलाउ कर रहे हैं, right? This is there. So Jafar Iqbal is there. Sir, I'm in the 5th semester of MCA and preparing for GATE as well. I'm really interested in this project. Sir, can I handle all the things? So thoda sa discipline. If you have some discipline, if you have a proper time management, Jafar, you can do it because we are only asking for 1 hour a day, right? सिर्फ एक ही घंटे की बात कर रहे हैं. We are not asking for too much of time from you, right? That is there. So Rohit, I think better you can connect with Surendra or Sylvester, sir. They will help you in that. Okay. Yeah. So this is there. Yeah, Amey Patil, we will teach you everything, including your software installations and everything. We will teach you, Amey Patil, right? Nandini, not anything on that. Okay. So, okay, this is Pratish Pradhan. So, Pratik, I think if that is the issue, I think please focus on your 5th semester, right? And complete that part first, right? So Deepa is saying, sir, I don't know about Python programming. Am I fit for this project? I think Deepa, अगर बिल्कुल भी knowledge नहीं है Python की, तो आप पहले एक बार Python सीख लीजिए. उसके बाद, you come to and join us. Yeah, Jyoti, in case you are unable to attend the live session, so you can, watch the recordings, right? Rudra Pratap is saying, sir, can I use Pycharm? I think Sylvester will not recommend you to go for Pycharm. You will have to use, Anaconda Spider, right? That will be there. Satakshi पहले online join कीजिए और फिर yeah, Shriram Potla, you will get a link to join the Slack community when we start on Monday. Okay. मनीष कुमार पांडे सिंह सर कि मैं लेट हो गया, आप बताएंगे प्रोजेक्ट किसके बारे में था? ये प्रोजेक्ट डेटा एनालिटिक्स और विजुअलाइजेशन से रिलेटेड है. इट विल हैव अ टेररिज्म डेटा, उसी को हमें एनालाइज करना है, विजुअलाइज करना है. उसके लिए वी विल यूज यूजिंग पांडास, we would be using a Python, NumPy, Dash, that is a library, a lot of this, right? So yeah, Ishika, you will have to do that, right? So that would be up to you. तुम्हें रखना है, but रोज का काम तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा, right? That would be there. Yeah, Kunal, thanks for that, right? That is there. Yeah, Prashant, first week फ्री है, फिर सेकेंड वीक में आपको डिसाइड करना है कि आपको पेड में जाना है. तो सेकेंड वीक इज आल्सो अलाउड एंड देयर यू हैव टू टेक द डिसीजन, राइट? रितेश कश्यप इज सेइंग सर ओनली 1 hour फॉर अ डे. हाँ, मतलब 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा के करीब ही रहेगा, उससे ज्यादा तुम टाइम दे भी नहीं पाओगे रितेश, राइट? सो वी हैव प्लान्ड, वी हैव डिजाइन दिस प्रोग्राम इन सच ए वे ओनली, राइट? सो दैट इज देयर. Yeah, Rudra Pratap, phase 1 means week 1 and week 2. Right. Sandeep Mandal is saying, sir, what does packaging means? Packaging means integrating everything, हर चीज को properly organize करना, उसका एक पूरा एक ready to demo kind of setup कर लेना कि yes, कभी भी मुझसे कोई पूछेगा कि demo दो इसका, चला के दिखाओ, it will work. That is there, right? And yes, for every student registered for paid internship will get a chance for a demo, but उसमें एक cycle रहता है संदीप. पहले you have to create a video of the demo, right? Video of the demo create करना होता है, and after that you go to the second phase, Sandeep, right? That would be there. So okay, what is that? Anuva Council, we are not allowing people, in the last season also, a lot of people came to us that we want to work in a team. We completely denied. कि अभी टीम में काम नहीं करना है, आप पहले सोलो डेवलपर बनिए, उसके बाद टीम में जाइए.
अनुभव टाइम पास होता है ग्रुप के अंदर, हमने देखा है, कोई सेंस नहीं है, ठीक है? इसलिए हम लोगों ने प्रोग्राम इस तरह से डिज़ाइन किया है. आप इंडिविजुअली करो, आपकी लर्निंग बहुत हाई होगी, समझो उस चीज़ को.
कई बार हमें कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता, इसलिए लगता है कि टीम में काम करेंगे अनुभव. लेकिन जब खुद से काम करने लगते हैं और कोई हेल्प करने वाला, इस केस में तो फर्स्ट टीम तुम्हें हेल्प करेगी, तो अपने आप ही सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिल जाएंगी. तुम ये कंप्लेन ही नहीं करोगे नेक्स्ट टाइम कि सर टीम में बनाया नहीं बनाया. स्वर्णिका, यस, लाइव सेशंस वुड बी ऑन जून, राइट? यू आर राइट. So Pratish Pradhan saying, is there any time for doubt session? So every day you have a live class, and after that we have doubt session, Pratish, right? Every day you have first the session, and then after
Guys,
that you have a doubt session.
I would like to tell everybody that what is the strong point is the Slack community, okay? And that's available 24 hours. So whenever you face a problem, you post on the Slack channel. It's like a WhatsApp. It's like an enterprise WhatsApp Slack. So आप जब क्वेश्चंस को पुट करते हो, कोई ना कोई उस पर जवाब दे देता है. This is the way it works, guys. So you have a very good technical support from your peers itself. जो बाकी लोग काम कर रहे हैं. पिछले बार हमारे पास there were more than 200 people when it started. So जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन पुश करता था, 11 12 लोग उसका आंसर करते थे. Okay, so everybody gets an answer for the queries there. And if some queries are not being answered, there is somebody from the Forsk team who answers that question. Okay.
Okay. So now we have a question from Veda, right? So Veda is saying, sir, only the people attending this webinar are eligible to register, or can we share it among our friends? You can share it very well with your friends, Veda. And this session is live on YouTube as well, so they can watch the recording if they are interested. And then after watching, they can register for the project, Veda, right? Any other questions?
I remember last time, sir, there was one student, I forgot her name, and there were 4 people from her class who also joined the same project. So people, when they find some value in that, they share with their friends also.
So guys, any other questions? I think I'm done with all the questions now. So Nitish, you can register on the Slack using your personal email ID. That's it. That is there. Okay. So Swarnika is saying, sir, thank you, sir. Looking forward to the project. Yes, Swarnika, thank you. See you. Yeah, Ritesh Kashyap is saying, sir, it is good enough to have an individual development, good for building self-confidence. Yeah, self-confidence. और जब तुम में सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस होगा, तुम में स्किल होगी, दुनिया भाग भाग के आएगी तुम्हारे साथ टीम बनाने को. तुम्हें किसी के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं है, राइट? So Nalin Srivastava is saying, sir, is practice will live in class, or we have to do? Yeah, we have a live in class practice as well, Nalin, right?
To ask, sir, is that once the class is over, the practice will be done individually.
Okay. Yeah. So Javed Ahmed Khan is saying, sir, what should be the internet speed? I think your mobile data speed is okay, Javed, right? Mahima Kaushik is saying, sir, when we will get project details, that you will get on the day one, I think, when you start the project season on Monday. So there you will get all the details, right? Yeah, Pratish, you are right. स्वाति एक बार ज्वाइन करके देख लीजिए. Dinesh is saying, sir, me and my friends are joined in one team. So Dinesh, you can tell your friends that they can join, but they should work independently, right? Not in a team, right? Shikha Bajaj is saying, sir, what if I'm busy at 7:30? We're trying to schedule 7:30 or 8, around 8 only, Shikha. Sometimes in case you are busy, you can watch the recordings later on, right? No, Akshay, it is not possible. Not, right? So, yeah, Ishika, it will start from 14th. Guys, this is starting from 14th, right? This is starting from 14th. Here you can see. Yeah, Shikha Bajaj, that's enough for you. If you know the Python basics, that's okay, right? That's okay. There is a training module first, right? We have a training component. We will train you, and then you work on that, right? Sachin Dexter is saying, thank you, sir. Excited to join the project. Yeah, Sachin, welcome. this is going to be a great learning for you guys. You know, this is going to be a great learning, right? You will really, you know, kind of, you know, you will really, you know, be thankful to the God that you took a decision in time, right, and joined this. Let me tell you a very, you know, straightforward way, guys. You know, that is this. Akshay Singh sir, I have no idea about Nampi pandas and dash. That's okay, Akshay. नहीं पता है, कोई बात नहीं. There is a training for it, right? पहले training होगी. We will teach you how to use pandas. We will teach you how to use dash. We will teach you how to solve the problem using dash. Then you have to use it in your development. Then you need to use that in the development, right? अगर हमें चीज़ नहीं आती है तो हम बैठे रह नहीं सकते ना. अगर नई चीज़ें आती हैं तो हमें सीखनी है और वो सीखेंगे. We will learn them and then we'll use them in the development. Anything else, guys, from your side? Any even there is a silly question, it is a valid question and it deserves a answer for it, guys. You know, it deserves an answer for that, even if it is a silly question. You don't decide whether it's a silly or a you know, intelligent question, right? So Kunal, you know, this is we have, you know, this. So let me tell you, this is the part, Kunal, right? So here we have. So Swati, that you can try. आप एक बार try कीजिए, right? Let's try on that. अगर नहीं हो तो then upgrade yourself, right? So there would be a project submission, Pratik, in the end, right? Daily submissions नहीं है, project submission होगा, right? Yeah, welcome Bhavani. Thank you. Anything else, guys, from you? Anything else? Guys, any questions? Otherwise, we can, you know, close for the day, guys, and see you on Monday, guys. Okay, Manish Kumar Pandey Singh said, I'm focusing on software developments. So should I focus on that or make my hand dirty on visualization on this project? So software development का ही पे एक हिस्सा है, right? So analytics, visualization, all of them is a part of the software development only, right? Software development is generic term, right? And data analytics and visualization or machine learning, all of them is a kind of you know, a specialized term, but that all comes under the software development only, Manish, right? Bhavani, I think 1 week extension is okay. I think that will work for you, right? Yeah, Anuva, we have this. This is the link for Monday, right? Pratik, we'll use Anaconda, right? Pratik, we will use Anaconda. Okay, guys, I'm closing now, and see you Niru Mittal is saying, what would be the timing? The timing would be in the evening, Niru, right? Timings would be in the evening. And we will, communicate the timings over WhatsApp, guys. We'll communicate the timings over WhatsApp. That is there. Yeah, Nalin, thank you. Thanks, Anubha.